Hello everyone. Today we would like to introduce a new powerful electric bike which comes with a 2000 watts hub motor and 60-volt dual battery. With its robust electric motor, this e-bike delivers impressive speed and torque, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and rugged terrains with ease. And the design features a sturdy frame and high-performance suspension to ensure a smooth ride over rough surfaces. Among the most exciting innovations in this field is the 60-volt dual battery e-bike, designed for those seeking unparalleled power and performance. This advanced e-bike combines the benefits of a robust 60-volt system with the versatility of dual battery packs, offering extended range and enhanced reliability for both urban and off-road adventures. With features such as high torque, impressive speed capabilities, the 60-volt dual battery e-bike is an ideal choice for thrill-seekers and everyday riders alike. The electric bike also equipped with CST fat tires. Combining cutting-edge technology with robust design, the CST tires offer exceptional grip and durability, ensuring a smooth ride over various terrains. Whether you're navigating through trail, conquering dirt paths, or simply enjoying the thrill of outdoor cycling, this 2000-watt electric bike offers a perfect blend of power, innovation, and excitement. Experience the freedom of electric riding and take your adventures to the next level. We also have many different powerful e-bikes with good performance. Feel free to contact us if you are interested.